Good morning. I am Rashail Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Quaid-e-Azam Unit 3 Grade 3 Part 1 English by Rashail Anwar. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The Quaid-e-Azam is my favorite personality. He is the founder of Pakistan. His name was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He was born in Karachi on December 25, 1876. The Quaid-e-Azam was a man of discipline. He was punctual in everyday life. He always tried to solve matters with honesty. He completed his early education in Karachi. Then he went to England for higher education. He studied law and got a degree from Lincoln's Inn. He returned to India. The Quaid-e-Azam was the only Muslim lawyer in Bombay in those days. He joined the Indian National Congress in 1906. He supported Hindu-Muslim unity. Soon he became disappointed with Hindu leaders. He joined the All India Muslim League in 1913. He organized the All India Muslim League. He made the world realize that Hindus and Muslims were two different nations. Their religion and customs were different from each other. On March 23, 1940, the Quaid-e-Azam chaired a meeting of the All India Muslim League. The meeting demanding a separate homeland for Muslims of the subcontinent. Pakistan was created on August 14, 1947. He assured the minorities of safety and security in Pakistan. The Quaid-e-Azam became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He died on September 11, 1948. His tomb is in Karachi. He lives in the hearts of the nation. He is a role model for all Pakistanis. Read the given words with their meanings. Personality means a famous person. Lawyer, a person who has a degree in law. To feel sad or upset. Homeland, a country. Minority, a small group within a community. Read the given examples of anagrams. Keen, knee, race, care, part, trap, heart, earth, icon, coin. Read me. A word that is made by arranging the letters of another word in a different order is called an anagram. Make anagrams by rearranging the letters in the words below. Meet, team. Last, salt. Eats, seat. Skin, sink. Tone, note. Week, week. Answer these questions. Where did the Quaid-e-Azam go for higher education? Answer. He went to England for higher education. Why did the Quaid-e-Azam join the All India Muslim League? Answer. He joined the Indian National Congress in 1906 and he supported Hindu-Muslim unity, but soon he became disappointed with Hindu leaders. What were the Quaid-e-Azam's views about the minorities? Answer. Quaid-e-Azam respected and valued all citizens irrespective of their religion. He assured the safety and security of minority groups in Pakistan. Why should we respect our national heroes? Discuss it in 5 lines. Answer. Our national heroes are recognized for the sacrifices and contributions they made towards our development and advancement. They put their lives at risk, and the result of their taking those risks is the freedom we now enjoy today. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, Simon. Why are you late, Simon? I am very sorry, but I got stuck in a traffic jam. Did you read the essay about the Quaid-e-Azam? Yes, it was very good. It made me understand how great leader he was. I am really grateful to you. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.